that we have to really figure out. They have point of view for everything, whether they know it or they don't know it. And somewhere we are being left because of this mindset, because of our physical health and mental health. Voices, I can't do anything about the birds, right? Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha. I am a final year graduation student. I'm 19-year-old. I'm from Rajasthan, and also I'm a teacher in a private school. I'm teaching science and English. So I've started this channel because I wanted to actually. Since I was in a very early age, in my 9th class or maybe like 11th, there was a boost of YouTube channels and all that. So I thought I should also make regarding it. Also, as I am a teacher, I feel like sharing a lot of things to students, like regarding exams, regarding life, regarding whatever things they feel. They come to me, they ask me like, I'm feeling like this, what should I do about it? So just to clarify that all things, and a lot of things, like I'm also in my 19s, in my I'm about to be in my 20s. So there are a lot of things that we have to really figure out, and somewhere we are just losing a balance between how we have to manage our own selves. So we are at an age where we have to manage our studies, our career goals, also ourselves, our behavior, our communication skills, our emotions, our mental health, our physical health, and a lot of things are going on. And actually what we do, we just overthink it and we just waste our time in that, right? So here is my channel. We are going to figure out like how to create a balance, how to manage ourselves, how to actually build ourselves in a better way. Okay, so we will find a balance where we can actually work on our mental health, our physical health. Also we will move towards our greater success, whatever our goals are there. But what we really need to find is the balance and how to actually do it. Like people around you and everyone in the internet would be giving you motivation, or would be giving you philosophical talks about life, about career, and regarding all the things, and they have point of view for everything, whether they know it or they don't know it. But here I'm bringing out it as a perspective of a teacher, of a student, my own self, who is working on myself, who is building my own career, and this would be more realistic approach. So here we will be dealing with things along with our knowledge, along with our logic, like of psychology, of biology, of science, logic, not just motivation or philosophical talk. We are actually about to work upon ourselves in a very logical approach. And also, as I am from science background, so I really believe in logic. So I will never talk anything that is illogical. So you will not find a solely motivation thing. There would be time that I would be talking about life, about philosophical things and all that. But most of the time we will deal with things practically, logically, and we will find the balance, the solutions of the thing we face in our daily life, and that would be really relatable to you, like whatever things you are feeling. Because I know how failure looks like. I know how competition like NEET, JEE and all that looks like. I have given exams for NEET also. I am a college student, I am a teacher, I am dealing with a lot of things together. So I know how it feels to be covered up with a lot of things and how to manage it. I am being through all these things and I am being through all these things. So it's easy to connect with me. And I solely believe that our success depends upon our mindset, how we think, how we deal with things, and how do we manage our overthinking, stress, and a lot of that things. And in this fast-paced world, we are somewhere dealing with mental health issues, overthinking, stress, anxiety, and we are filled with a lot of thoughts that we actually can't process it, and we can't find a balance where we can really work on our mental health and actually work on our success. Okay, and somewhere we are being left because of this mindset, because of our physical health and mental health. You just remember days before, whenever you have not scored well or you have not done any task properly, that the reason would be regarding your mental health or your physical health. And somewhere I've also deal with it a lot. And our goal, our success, or our career is not just meant by just reading books or doing a course. You really need to build your whole self, like your personality. You have to work on your emotional intelligence. You have to work on your mental health, your mindset, your behavior. You have to work in a lot of factors. Your success or your life is not just defined by what the course you are doing or whatever you are studying. It should show in your personality too. So we are going to work in all these aspects. So whether you have to master your mental clutter, you have to know about your emotions and how to deal with it with logical and practical reasoning and solutions. Also, whether you have to work on your emotional intelligence or whether you have to work on your personality, your personal growth, here is the space you will find. So here I am building a community where we will talk about success, we will talk about growth, we will talk about knowledge, and we will talk about how we have to grow by ourselves and deal with the fast-paced world. And also I'm working upon a video where we will start from our personality growth. So from personality growth, there are three main aspects we have to work on it. So in the further videos, we will talk about it with practical reasoning, practical solution. So stay connected with my channel to find your best potential. Okay, so this was the introduction video. I didn't posted any introduction video, so I thought I should make an introduction video where you would be clarified like what my channel is about, what you have to see in my channel, what you will be seeing in my channel. Okay, and one more thing, I really wanted to do it. Okay, since a lot of time, like I'm good in video editing, like not too much good, like okay, good in video editing. I'm good in script writing, like since a very early age I was interested in writing and all that things. एंड हमेशा कोई भी टॉपिक होता था या कोई भी लाइक कोई भी डिस्कशन हो रहा है तो आई वुड बी हैविंग अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रिगार्डिंग इट कि नहीं मुझे इस पर बोलना है, नहीं ये चीज़ गलत है, ये चीज़ सही है. सो वाई नॉट से इट इन अ वाइडर स्पेस. So doing it all, giving one lesson for all of you: do whatever you want to do what you like, because life is small. You really need to do what you like to do, then you will have regrets like I didn't work on it. So doing it, you also do it whatever you like. Also one more thing I have to say you, like don't rely too much on me on the aesthetics or the quality of the video or the voices. I can't do anything about the birds, right? So don't depend on me for the aesthetics or for your visual entertainment. I'm here for a knowledgeable thing. I'm here for a bigger thought process, for a bigger goal. So stay connected with me if you want to work on yourself. Don't expect too much of aesthetics from me. Also do support in the initial stages. Afterwards we can work on all these things, the background, the voices and all that. But in the starting it should start from raw. And also I want to tell you all, let it be raw. Actually, let it be raw, let it be you, let it be yourself, and do what you like.